we were able to produce our context diagram, which gives an idea about the interactions about all the processes, data stores, and users of our program. So basically, we have 8 main modules, 2 external users, the dentist and the secretary. As you can see, the dentist can have access to all the modules and processes. However, the secretary does not have access to all of them, for example, for managed transactions. We also do have in our system 8 main data stores that are linked to specific modules depending on the functions and sub-functions included in that module. Let me zoom in manage appointments. So as you can see, it contains 2 main sub-functions, which are explore appointments and exploit appointments. If we keep zooming on, we will have an idea about the functions which will be implemented in each of the 2 sub-functions. So basically, the idea is just about keeping zooming on functions and sub-functions until we get to the ready for automation functions. Now I leave the floor to Leila again to talk about the conceptual data models. So within the same framework of analyzing and modeling, there is a need of modeling the data. The CDM, the main goals of CDMs are to identify, describe, and discover the data and the associations that exist between them. So the first step, we have to gather the actual forms that are used in the dental clinic, and to gather all the attributes, either by from the forms or by the meetings we had with the client. And then from those attributes, we create a data dictionary. And then we have to get rid from the anomalies such as synonyms, redundancies, and homonyms, and to have a healthy data dictionary. And then we have to identify the entities. And finally, produce the ERD, the entity relation diagram. So for the forms that are used in the dental clinic are nouveau patient formulaire, carte de rendez-vous, ordonnance, certificat médical, and liste des prix. This form is nouveau patient formulaire, which is that the patient should fill the first time he gets in the dental clinic. This is just a small part from our healthy data dictionary. As you can see here, these are the attributes, the form that we get from, and if it's inductive or deductive approach, the description, and if it's countable or non-countable. For the entity relation diagram, which offers a description of the different entities of the system and how those entities are linked, we get these entities from the data dictionary. And so this is our ERD. We will